Load your family into the 2007 Jeep Patriot. With fewer than 45,000 miles, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include heated front seats, a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors, power windows, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Premium leather seats provide maximum comfort, wrapping drivers and passengers in a shroud of luxury. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.